Hello, welcome to this video. We're looking at Outlook and the browser-based version. So I'm going to run through a few tips to save you time. So the first one is using My Templates. So create a new message, click into the body of the message and then come up to My Templates, and you can see you've got a variety of ones which you can add. So you can do add templates, you can edit, add your own ones. And I can simply just click on that and it will place that into the body of the email, and I can adapt it and it's ready to go. So My Templates, great way to speed up the sending of regular messages if you're using the same or similar messages frequently. Next up, polls. So polls are a great way to get a response. Now, you're not going to see the names of the people who've responded, so if you want to do that, you need to use a form. However, if you just want to get an answer, it could be about location for a staff social, or it could be linked to just generic information that you want to find out a bit about, linked to a project you're working on, something. You can simply just do that. Question-wise, we've got multiple choice, a quiz, a word cloud, a rating, or a ranking. So it could be items for the agenda for your next meeting, and you can simply put those in there and they can respond in the email. There's no need to jump out into a forms. So that's using the polls feature. I've already done a video on this, but you can also use the screen recording features. You can create a screen recording feature and you can do that. You can also record a little video as well. So you've got the option to add a video message, which is great. And that, as I've said, has the option to have a script as well. If you click on the link in the top right-hand corner, you can see my video on how to do that. So far we've touched on using templates, using the poll feature and recording a video message. Other things that you can do is you can use loop components. So if you click on loop components, you've got a greater variety of things that you can add. So it could be a task list, it could be a Q&A, a voting table. There's various interactive elements. And again, what's great about those is people don't need to jump out of Outlook. They can respond within that, within those interactive elements. If we just go back to the home section and view, you can see you've got various things that you can do, but we go back to message. You've also got the editor features available. So if I click into editor, you can open an editor, which is really useful. So you get that spell check, grammar check, clarity check that's available in Word. So you can access editor within Outlook to check that your message is appropriate and there's no mistakes. And you can see all of the useful suggestions that you get within editor are available there. The other thing you can do is you can use dictate. So sometimes it's easier to dictate a message to get the right tone. So you can simply click on dictate and it will start typing what it hears. As you can see, there it is. It's relatively accurate. Occasionally it makes a mistake, but generally it's pretty good. So that's using the dictate feature, and that's all available under the message option. And then the last one to show you is a scheduling poll. So you simply add the name of attendee, and then it will bring up a poll and it will suggest when they're going to be available. And you can simply either add the poll to the email, or you can look at the results of the poll and then schedule it that way. So there you have it, my top tips on using Outlook for the web. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.